OpenAI launches Bug Bounty with rewards up to 20K. Of course, we know that's ChatGPT. So let's talk about it. Red Team, pen testing, make you a little money on the way. Let's look at the article. AI research company OpenAI announced today the launch of a new bounty program to allow registered security researchers to discover vulnerabilities in their product line and get paid for reporting them via the Bugcrowd crowdsourced security platform. As the company revealed today, the rewards are based on reported issues, severity, and impact, and they range for $200 for a low security flaw up to 20,000 for an exceptional discovery. The OpenAI bug bounty is a way for us to recognize and reward the valuable insight of security researchers who contribute to keeping our technology and company secure. OpenAI said, we invite you to report vulnerabilities, bugs, or security flaws you discovered in our system. By sharing your findings, you will play a critical role in making our technology safer for everyone. Now, that's a fact, right? When you crowdsource and you pay people, you get a lot of novel ways for people to attack you. And some of the top guys are going to come out if you're paying 20 grand. However, while the OpenAI application program interface API and its ChatGPT artificial intelligence chat box are in scope target for bounty hunters, the companies ask researchers to report models issued via a separate form unless they have a security impact. Model safety issues does not fit well within a bug bounty program, as there are not individual discrete bugs that can be directly fixed. Addressing these issues often involves substantial research and broader approach, OpenAI said. To ensure these concerns are broadly addressed, please report to your findings to this user appropriate form rather than submitting them through the bug bounty program. Reporting them in the right place allows our researchers to use these reports to improve the model. Other issues out of scope includes jailbreaks, safety bypass the ChatGPT users have been exploiting to trick the ChatGPT chatbot and ignoring safeguards implemented by OpenAI engineers. So that shows you the tweet right there and where to submit your vulnerabilities. Last month, OpenAI disclosed the ChatGPT payment data link the company blamed on the bug in the Redis client open source library bug platform. And that's one other things with a lot of these products. They're using open source Redis client. So is that a ChatGPT bug or a Redis bug? Because the bug is a ChatGPT plus subscribers being seeing users other email address on their subscription pages. Following increased streams of user reports, OpenAI took the ChatGPT bot offline to investigate the issue. That's one thing too. You start finding a lot of bugs, you just take it offline until you get it fixed, right? In post-mortem, the published days later, the company explained the bug caused the ChatGPT service to expose chat queries and personal information on roughly 1.2% of published subscribers. The exposed info included subscriber's name, email address, payment address, and partial credit card information. The bug was discovered in the Redis client open source library, Redis PY. As soon as we identified the bug, we reached out to Redis maintainers with the patch to solve the issue. While the company did not link today's announcements with their recent incident, the issue would have potentially been discovered earlier, and the data link might have been avoided if OpenAI already had their running bug bounty program to allow researchers to test the products for security flaws. And I believe that. Once again, it's going to really get tested. When you start paying, it's going to get tested. So once again, OpenAI / ChatGPT launches bug bounty program with rewards up to 20K. Let's go get the bag. Hope somebody gets that 20K. Professor Black Ops, please subscribe.